Alright, we're walking to Venice and we found this giant market. So we just got off our bus and we're gonna go into the market here.
Nice to see all the locals out and about and be one of them for the day.
There were tons, really.
Yeah, but we've been surrounded by tourists.
Yeah.
Life in Italy.
Alright, we're looking at some water tours here in Venice, and it turns out that it's $39.90 in euro to do it. But actually, that's for just people 30 and over. Like Ashley. I get a discount. I'm only 29 euro because I'm a junior.
I'm excited to go on a boat. Hopefully I won't get sick. I don't think I will. No big deal. We're gonna watch some glass blowing. Woohoo! Going to Murano.
Yeah.
We're walking to what we hope is the glass factory where they make all the nice glass here in Murano. What do you think?
I think I want to do it.
Yeah.
I want to be in there twirling the sticks.
You want to be a glass blower?
Actually, I always kind of have.
Wanted to.
Yeah, I read about it a bunch. I had several books on it and I read all about how to do all the stuff. I just never actually done it.
He's itching to get out there.
Yeah, I just want to hop in. I'll be the runner making the punts for them and sticking it on. More food and drinks, spritz, and whatever the heck that is.
So many things to try.
I know, I just want to eat all of it.
Look at all these little sandwiches.
And the great thing is they're like small sizes, so you can just order a small one.
Yeah.
It's all we want made of.
I got a new leather purse.
Made in
Venice.
Italy.
I love it. And I'll carry everything in it.
Model it for us. Oh yeah. Now you get pasta.
Good evening.
Oh, hello there, hot stuff.
We found a beautiful building.
You can see a little bit of it. That is pretty dang cool.
Guess what?
Huh.
I'm gonna venture to say that this is probably my favorite place in the world that I've been.
Wait, Venice is your favorite city that you've been to so far?
Yes.
Whoa, that's high praise. High praise coming from Ashley. Wow, that's bright.
Doesn't bother me. I'm used to the spotlight.
Used to the spotlight. That's just gorgeous. I mean, these things are everywhere on Venice. Like every corner you turn, and it's just incredible. It's almost incomprehensible how everywhere you look is some centuries old piece of architecture.
Old.
What are you doing?
I'm touching it. Because maybe it hasn't been touched in the spot in a long time. And the last person who touched this movie was like 1 billion years old. And now I'm touching this that's touched them. And now I've touched them. 1 billion years old.
1 billion years old.
Science.